These are the exact steps I wish I knew before I started flipping items on Facebook Marketplace. Stay until the end because you're not going to want to miss the last step. I used to have to go to thrift stores and yard sales to find inventory to flip. And if you ever went through that, you know how tedious it is. Last year, I discovered that people on Facebook Marketplace will pay anywhere from 2 to 5 times what I pay on AliExpress. They want things now and not delivered in a couple of days. When I realized that, things changed. But flipping isn't magic. You need 3 things: the right products, the right listings, and enough hustle to meet strangers without getting robbed, preferably. Just kidding. Step 1, what to buy. Everything I sell falls into the one rule: if you can hand it to someone instantly, it's worth more. These categories work best: car accessories, such as LED strips, backup cameras, steering wheel covers. People love buying car stuff the same day. Step 2, how to check profit. Before I buy anything, I only check one thing: price gap. I want to make at minimum $10 profit. If something costs me $20 at AliExpress, I want to list it for $30 or more. I used to just take photos of every item that I found. It took forever and it was tedious. I hated it. Now, this is all I do. All you gotta do is, you don't need a laptop, just a phone. So let's say you're selling the steering wheel cover, bunch of ads. All you gotta do is click on the photo. Just a couple good pictures that you like. I usually like to do at least 3 or 4 minimum. Just copy the title that they give you there. And the next, look at the price that you got it for. This one is $10, which you can sell it for maybe $20, 15 to $20, or even more. Get onto your Facebook Marketplace, click sell, create listing, one item. Simple as that. Copy the title. Usually I copy the whole title, but to keep it simple, I'm just gonna type it in. Put the 34 photos that you put. Bang bang. That's it. Price $20. That's it. 3-step process: photo, title, price, and your description. Simple as that. You'll get your first listing. Just hit publish, and it'll be a couple minutes, and your first item is up to go. So there are 4 types of buyers. Number 1 is is this available guy. I know some people say they don't reply to this, but believe it or not, more than 50% of my sales comes from people just like this. All you gotta do, click yes, are you interested? That's it, and let it go to them. A lot of people ignore it, but why are you gonna ignore a customer that is interested? Number 2 are people who lowball you. You sell it for 50 and offer you 15. Those guys, surprisingly, just counter offer them. Never miss a sale. Some people get offended by the lowball. Really think about it. They're a warm lead. They already want the product. Half of the time, they're just not going to reply back. But sometimes if you reply back with a counter offer, they might give you a better offer, which is the price point that you want. So never miss out on a sale. Number 3 are people who ghost you. They message you, is it still available? And you tell them pick up now, or when you will pick up, and they just view it, but they never reply. And number 4, the one that matters the most, the one that actually buys. That's the one that you care about the most, and the only one you need to care about. They're the ones that you make the most money from, and the ones you love the most with the least headache. Flipping items on Facebook might not be the best thing or make the most money, but guess what? It works. It can make you anywhere from $500 to $3,000 a month, and that's profit, because that's what I've been doing, and that's why I'm showing you guys. So maybe in the next video, I'll show you guys more in depth of my products. So make sure you subscribe so you guys can see more of it.